welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey Kings and Queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, baby. Baby. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back, watching another one, getting into it. Watch me rocking then I did. Watch me. I don't know what's happening, y'all. But thank you guys so much for coming back. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. You know, my little in the water, you know, in the pond, my little pebble or whatever. So thank you guys so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. If you do enjoy the content here, little baby, okay, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you do enjoy the content here, little baby, okay, make sure you hit that like button, okay. If you do enjoy the content here, little baby, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what's up, let me know what's good, let me know how you enjoy, you know, let me know how you enjoy the neighborhood. Let me know. All right, so as you can see by the title, we are doing our paycheck budget number 2. And yeah, before we get into it, let's talk about our shout outs. Hello, somebody. So shout out for this video goes to Budget Right Wealthy Life. Getting to it. Okay, I said Budget Life Wealthy. That is so wrong. It's Budget Right Wealthy Life. You see when you start acting up and the good Lord gotta humble you real quick? That's what happened. But anyways, sis, Budget Right Wealthy Life. Make sure you guys go and check her out. Support, okay? Okay. Make sure you guys go ahead and support. Lets us know that she's doing a great job. Keep budgeting, doing what you do, sis. And let her know that I sent you. Say hello. But anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, little baby, so we are here at paycheck number 2, all right? And your time ain't free, so let's not waste it, okay? Let's go. So my regular schmegular paycheck was $1,059. You guys know we don't keep the cents. They automatically go to savings. I don't worry about it because I don't like seeing the numbers on my thing. You know, it looks a little bit, we don't like it. But guys, I won me $25. We did this little scavenger hunt and then we played this little Jeopardy game later and I won me $25. Guess how I won it? Minding my business. Ooh, when minding your business come through. Y'all, I really was minding my business. We did a scavenger game and we was excited. It was like, yeah. And we came in second place on the scavenger game. We was like, yeah, we good. Then they started Jeopardy and we was like, baby, we done. We done. We was on Instagram. We was on YouTube. We was scrolling. And then they was like, oh, winner, team 4. My team. I said, well, the good Lord will bless me. Yes, ma'am. Thank you to everyone. And I won me $25. So my unexpected little $25 are up in here too, sis. So get into it. Anyways, that brings my total up to $1,084 for me to work with. So, bam. Or fixed expenses. My dad in Jamaica, he's a normal regulars here on the paycheck budgets. So he's $100. Medical wise, he needs some assistance. Get into it, help him. Then my tithes is $110. You know, my 10%, that's for me. You do what you do, sis. Do what you can afford because the Lord loves what you can give that you know you can give. Not your 10% like I'm doing. He just knows you can give 10%. Or you can give whatever. He's happy with that because your last is the most precious, okay? So he appreciates that. But anyways, if you ain't into tithing, do what you need to do, sis. To give to somebody else, help somebody else, because the world is the ghetto, okay? The world is the ghetto. Do what you need to bless somebody else because the world is ghetto. Child, have you seen outside? We good. Anyways, let's move into our cash envelopes. So cash envelopes, let's scroll down to about right here. As you can see, a lot of people ain't getting no coins because they already been fulfilled, you know, fruitful and multiplied on the first paycheck, so they good. Groceries, she a one-time kind of girl on the first paycheck, so she good. Fuel, she said run me my $25 because y'all played with me in paycheck 1, don't play with me in paycheck number 2. Crown, she just stays where she at, she ain't getting no money. I was gonna give Fine Wine some coins, but then situations happens and ooh child, she back to 0. Allowance stays with her $100. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Household goods is getting $10. That's cute. Toiletry is getting $5. Waxing, she already got paid on the first. Health, she ain't never worried about nobody because she never lost money. Miscellaneous is getting $15. I don't know what's wrong because I don't think she lost no money. There ain't nothing miscellaneous happening, but she got a little extra $15. We gonna check her out when we do the budget closeout or the, you know, cash out Fridays. We gonna see what she working with. Show me what you working with. You feel me? And then we're going to see if she needs these $15 or whatever coins next time. Subscriptions, she the first of the month type of girl too. So paycheck number 1 took care of her. Now for the rest of these girls. Clothing, she a first of the month type of girl too. Support a friend, first of the month type of girl. Going away, first of the month type of girl. Going out, we just not gonna give her nothing. She a 0. Electronics, you know the camera is on its way, so we giving it $20. YouTube is getting another $10, child. Oh, YouTube said we coming back bigger and better. Oh, y'all thought it was a game. Okay, YouTube. So YouTube is getting $10. Nails is getting $5. She unbothered. I know why she bothered. But nails is getting $5. Massage is getting nothing. Facial is getting nothing. And business is getting $20. Giveaway is getting 0 for this round. And then unbudgeted got $30 for what? Child, listen. The fact that I be over here reading these budgets like I didn't make them. What's up, sis? You made them. Anyways, my total for my cash envelopes, which are my variable expenses, is $240. My fixed expenses is $210. And baby, let's flip and get into this sinking funds. Okay, y'all, so this is a sinking fund situation. So let's see how this money move, child. So let's stop right here. Ooh, ain't nobody want no coins? That's okay. So home is getting $50 because she said, baby, furniture ain't cheap, okay? So home is getting $50. Travel is getting $20 because, period. Car maintenance is getting $30. You know we on our way to the 1K in savings for car maintenance. Queen's B-Day has been fulfilled. Oh my God. So proud of that goal, y'all. Fulfilled, and she gets nothing under 15 paycheck anyways, but we have reached our $600 goal for my birthday. Oh, goals for my birthday. Go me, go me. Ooh, ooh, budgeting. Go me, go me. Ooh, ooh, am I budgeting? Go me, oh yeah. Anyways, child. Next we have Fam B-Day. She a first of the she paycheck number 1 type of girl. First month's bill is completely fulfilled, so she needs no more coins. She good. Christmas is a paycheck number 1 type of girl, so she A-okay. And then Jamaica vacation, listen child, she coming up and I needs to be consistently saving a good amount for her, so $270 is going towards her. That's a whole lot of, she getting coins, okay? She getting chump change, she getting coins. Anyways, let's finish out the rest of these sinking funds, child. So, Juneteenth, she completely filled. She need no more coins. Black Friday, completely filled. She need no more coins. Special occasions, getting $40. I think my nephew's graduation is coming up, so this will work out great. Thanksgiving is getting $10 because you know what? Help feed yourself. Help feed yourself. That's what Thanksgiving is. It's to help feed myself when I go to eat, because I'ma eat. Period. Annual subscription is also getting $10. Christmas bills is getting $3. And then 100 envelopes is getting $99, and then quarterly challenge is getting $102, which brings me up to 634 whopping macaroons. So let me complete the bottom portion, see what's going on. Move over a little bit, sweetie. Move over a little bit. So my income told me that your girl is getting $1,000. Oh child, don't forget the 1, and $84 total, right? Then My fixed expenses turned out to be $210. My cash envelopes turned out to be $240. And my sinking funds decided to be $634. So I got me a little calculators. 1084 minus 210 minus 240 minus 634. $0. We love to see it. So that means that I ain't owe nobody, ain't nobody owe me, and all my money is accounted for. So basically that is paycheck number 2, okay? And just like our last one, tomorrow, little baby, look out for my cash stuffing, okay? Get into it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video because, baby, okay? Quick, fast, and in a hurry. We ain't got time to be wasting your time, okay? Can we talk about it? Anybody got time to be wasting your time? So yes, that was the end of my video. Thoroughly enjoyed giving to y'all sweet, baby. And if you do enjoy the content here, I hope you consider giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessings. Again, my name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk.